Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you on how you can download CapCut Pro on iPhone. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So as you can see here, I am on my desktop app. So I am just going to guide you through the process on how you can download CapCut or the video editor on your iPhone. So what you need to do first is to simply tap into your App Store app, and then after that just simply head into your search bar and type in CapCut, and from the result you should be able to locate the CapCut just like this one as shown in my screen. And after that, just simply click on it and install that into your device. And then if you want to have the CapCut Pro, so you just need to subscribe or to get the subscription. So you can do that in the app. So you should be able to locate CapCut Pro in in the app, and then just simply tap on it and then just follow the on-screen prompts that you need to do for you to be able to successfully get and purchase the CapCut Pro in your iPhone. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.